Number 1.
1984 Ford F-150, price $9,500. This is a meticulously maintained classic truck with 78,000 miles and a clean frame. Powered by its original carbureted 302 engine, it features an automatic 4-speed transmission with overdrive, a 4-inch lift, and new tires. The truck's fully stock red leather interior is complemented by modern upgrades like a Bluetooth-enabled radio and phone charger, while the cold air conditioner, heat, and tilt control steering will ensure comfort and functionality. Recent updates include a new Duralast battery, an overhauled braking system, and an upgraded fuel system with a pressure regulator for improved efficiency. This F-150 drives reliably and starts effortlessly, making it a dependable daily driver. With its combination of vintage charm and practical upgrades, it balances style, performance, and comfort. The owner, who has enjoyed driving it daily for the past year, is in no rush to sell due to their appreciation for this iconic truck.
Number 2.
1977 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. This is a well-maintained truck with 73,000 miles on it.
Equipped with an automatic transmission, this classic vehicle features a white exterior and a black interior.
It runs well and has been upgraded with new gas tanks, gas lines, shocks, leaf springs, tires, and a completely new grille and lights.
The interior is clean, showing minimal wear, and there is very little rust overall.
The driver's side rocker panel has some rust, while the passenger side shows only minor signs. The bed, front end, and doors are entirely rust-free. Though the truck could benefit from a fresh paint job, it remains a solid and reliable vehicle in good running condition.
Number 3.
1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, with only 117,400 miles, an automatic transmission, and a reliable 305 TBI V8 engine. It features a silver exterior, a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. Garage Captain with a clear title, the truck has a rebuilt front end, all new brakes, rotors and rear drum brakes, a new Reese hitch, 5% tinted windows, and stylish 20-inch chrome rims with tires. Modern upgrades include aftermarket speakers and a Bluetooth radio, and it comes with new drop shackles for the leaf springs and driver's side door pins. While in excellent condition overall, the truck has some minor flaws. There is some rust beginning to appear, the emergency brake light flashes but still works, a few trim pieces are missing, and the driver's seat has a tear. This low-mileage Sierra is a dependable and stylish option, offering a blend of vintage appeal and practical upgrades.
Number 4. 1979 Ford F-150, price $8,000, with 51,000 original miles, verified as never having been rolled back. It features an automatic transmission, a striking green exterior, a sleek black interior, and runs on gasoline. The frame is in pristine condition, reflecting its well-preserved history, although the truck is not entirely perfect.
A few issues exist, with the most significant being the need for a new floor pan and a noticeable clunk when shifting into PR&D. Despite these, the truck drives exceptionally well, shifting smoothly in drive and capable of cruising comfortably at highway speeds over 60 miles per hour for as long as needed. The remaining issues are minor, making this an excellent candidate for a restoration project.
Number 5.
1976 Ford F-150, price $6,000, features a manual transmission, a vibrant red exterior, and a matching red interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 360 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring a great driving experience.
Despite its age, the truck runs smoothly and remains reliable.
The owner mentions there is some rust on the vehicle, which is to be expected for a truck that is nearly 50 years old, but emphasizes that the rust is reparable. Additionally, the seller is willing to include several extra parts with the deal, adding more value for potential buyers.
Though reluctant to part with the truck, the owner is selling it due to having too many projects and not enough time to dedicate to this one.
Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, with 148,000 miles on its odometer. It features a 305 engine paired with an automatic transmission, which was rebuilt less than 5,000 miles ago. The truck boasts a gray exterior and includes several recent upgrades, making it both reliable and functional. Over the past 11,000 miles, numerous components have been replaced, including the radiator, alternator, heater core, fuel pump, shocks, speakers, headlights, and carburetor. The 4WD system is fully operational, ensuring dependable performance in various conditions. While the truck does have a missing seal on the front left side, which causes some noise, it does not affect its drivability.
Number 7.
1970 Ford F-150, price $8,500. This model features an automatic transmission, a striking blue exterior, and a clean white interior.
It runs on gasoline and is configured as a 2WD.
Under the hood, the truck is powered by a robust 400 big block engine equipped with an 8-Brock intake, a Holley carburetor, long tube headers, and a camshaft, delivering strong performance. The drivetrain includes a reliable C6 transmission. The truck has received several new parts, including new brake lines and brakes, ensuring safety and dependability. Mechanically, it runs and drives exceptionally well, with all lights, gauges, and the heating system in proper working order. However, like many vehicles of its age, it does have areas of rust that may require attention.
Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, reliable truck with only 40,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a V6 engine, both of which have been rebuilt and have approximately 40,000 miles of use. The exterior is a classic blue, while the interior mirrors this with its blue color scheme, providing a cohesive and appealing look. This truck comes equipped with modern technology, including a Bluetooth radio for seamless connectivity, a backup camera for added safety while reversing, and a Wolfbox dash cam for extra security on the road. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, making it a dependable option for those seeking a vintage yet functional truck with updated features. It's an excellent blend of classic style and modern convenience, perfect for both everyday use and longer trips.
Number 9.
1968 Ford F-150, price $7,000. It has a mileage of 24,934 miles and is powered by a Ford FE360 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a striking yellow exterior, with a contrasting blue interior that gives it a classic look. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with convenient features such as power brakes and power steering, making for an enjoyable driving experience.
The truck is in good running condition and drives smoothly. However, there are a few signs of wear.
The passenger door has some rust starting at the bottom corner, and the bed floor shows a couple of rust spots, particularly in front of the wheel tubes, with some areas having gone through. Despite these minor issues, this 1968 F-150 remains a functional and attractive classic vehicle with plenty of potential.
Number 10.
1992 Chevrolet K1500, price $7,995. This is a well-maintained truck with a strong 350 gas engine and a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. With 260,607 miles on the odometer, this four-wheel drive pickup is in great condition, featuring a white exterior that has no rust and a clean undercarriage. The interior is a comfortable burgundy, offering a nice contrast with the exterior. This truck does not have a catalytic converter, making it stand out in terms of simplicity. The owner has taken numerous photos, including detailed shots of the undercarriage, ensuring transparency regarding its condition.